You sum up us 0-0 against the GoldStars.
It was a fantastic game. Every team wanted to win. We all created a lot of chances and we couldn't put it into the net. Nobody knows what is going to happen unless you calculate and then add the two games. Even if we win, we can't go then it's over for me. But for now, I will never say it's over.
By your name and the media house.
My name is Emmanuel. Today you missed one feature player and Professionalism. It's called 9 goals in the league. Will you say that it's actually because the team is outgoing to the league?
You said it already. I missed one of my best players. So definitely he being absent in this game has affected me. I even said it about I wish he was here today with us. So it's a fact. But I can't stop him from progressing in his life as a footballer. Even myself, if Black Star come for me, I also go. You understand me? So I bear no grudge against him. I want him to go there and play better. But yes, that is why we register more than with certain numbers if this man is not there. But yes, even though I miss him, but you see it here. Still, even Duku who came in within some few, he had wanted to score. So this Kotoko for you. Yes, I miss him, but I've not regretted him leaving. Yeah,
My name is Peter. I work with you.
yes.
Clearly, you were not happy with some of the few decisions from the you think that if some decisions are gone, the team can go with you?
Well, as for yes, no matter how, definitely there are certain this you ask all and I also did my best. Yes. So for the referee, I don't have anything against him.
Coach, I did good dancing from Sumpati. Coach, 5 matches, 3 wins, 2 draws. You are yet to lose the game. Will you say your path is going according to the plan for you so far?
I would say it's going according to plan if I had won all the games. Yes, you see, I miss against Hasselhoff. Assuming I won that game, look at where I will be. Today too, assuming I won this game, look at where I will be. So to me, I would say, yes, we are on course. The only thing I can hit my chest and say is I have a final, FA final to play. And I wish and hope I will win the cup for Asante Kotoko. But it's normal with me.
Coach, your message to the supporters, they were here in their numbers today. You saw them.
I like the way they came and I like their enthusiasm. They should continue supporting the club. The club is for them. Without them, there's no Kotoko. So I'm very happy they came. It's also gingered us. When we see them happy, we also be happy and work for them. So they should continue coming. I'm very happy to see them today.
Final question, then we are done. My final word for us, please. The media, the final word for us. Any word for us, message.
I don't want to put myself into trouble. Okay.
Any message for us?
Okay. Anyway, yes.
Final one.
We are yet to find a winner for the league and seller for the league. Also, we are yet to find the last no winner and how will you say the league?
To me, the league is fantastic. We all enjoy it. You enjoy the play today. Look at this game we played. Every standard. Even the African Cup I played with. There are some matches it was easy for me to win. But look at today. You see, when we miss them, they also miss us. Well, so it tells you that it is not, you see, a lot of you compare us to Britain, compare us to South Africa. Come back. Even when you go to South Africa, you ask yourself, why Africa, not South Europe? Everything there is Europe. You understand me? So to me, I'm very happy with the way we played. we sold a good game to the supporters, and they are all happy. The draw fit the game, even though we hit the bar and so forth. I wanted to win. He had wanted to win. You understand me? But at the end of the day, we drew.
Comparatively, I mean, previous season and this season, how competitive has this season been?
Forgot about last season. I forgot it.
All right. We thank you so much. I'm coach. I'm not good evening.
Good evening.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Coach. I want to know your meetings with head coach of the GoldStars, the former Frimpong. The reason why I'm asking this is that you were the first coach that denied Frimpong and win when he brought Princess to this thing. And today, you came here, you were not able to score. How do you see the play and the coaching style?
You enter into every game. The coach have to ask himself, why do I need this game? How to what do you want to do? So you map your strategy. I get good style. I'm not here to stop you from progress. I'm here to work and then also progress to the next stage of the competition. So to me, it's just by chance. It wasn't by any means of I don't want this, I don't want that. For me here, I've beaten GoldStars here before, Dreams. We've beaten them here before. You understand me? So it's just by chance. It's not that I don't want him or he don't want me. But we are all working for various clubs and we have to do our best as professional coaches.
Thank you so much, coach.